Hey, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod, very few amongst the highest degrees achiever in the world. Welcome you all to my lecture on Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma is born on January 13, 1949 in Patiala state, Punjab. Rakesh Sharma studied in Hyderabad and cleared NDA, National Defense Academy, and Indian Air Force. He took part in Bangladesh War in 1971 by flying MiG-21 aircrafts. Rakesh Sharma is chosen for the space venture between India and Soviet Union in 1984. He was the first person from India to go to space on Soyuz T-11 and Soyuz T-10 rocket. Other persons are known about space travel as Sunita Williams, Kalpana Chawla, Ravish Malhotra. I would also give information regarding Neil Armstrong, who first landed on Moon in Apollo projects of United States of America. And Buzz Aldrin was the second person to go to Moon. But Rakesh Sharma is the person who was chosen for the space travel project program between India and Soviet Union on 3rd April 1984. Presently, he is staying in Kunur, Tamil Nadu. I will give you more information later. Thanking you.